Emergency.
That's it. Shoot the fuel tanks. Charging the heretic! Copy that!
Flying.
The grace of God! I'm moving out!
I'm grabbing the rest of the prisoners and heading out. Godspeed, Rook. See you on the outside.
Fire detected.
Circle of hell! For the father!
Pressure failure.
You make this hard on me, I'm gonna make it harder on you with the...
Deputy, backup's on the way. Chopper inbound. We'll meet you at the top, Deputy. Open the hatch. There should be launch panels around you.
Override must be engaged to open hatch. Override must be engaged to open main hatch. Fire in section C. Electrical system offline.
No way through, Deputy! You die with us!
Line.
They're trying to escape! Check the silo!
Electrical system offline.
Chopper's right above you. Come on, Deputy. Hook yourself onto the skids.
Another seal has been opened. My family, my brothers, my sisters, they've been taken from me by a snake in the garden. I thought I knew God's plan. But I was wrong. I was blind. But now I see. You took my family from me so that I could have yours. We will welcome them with open arms. Just as we will welcome you. We will be waiting for you. Where it all began.
Going good?
Listen up, Deputy. I'm thinking we've reached the end of the line. Time to cowboy up and deal with Joseph Seed once and for all.
The cult.
He's waiting for you. At his church.
Learned how to drive when I was a kid. Rebuilt my first engine when I was 13.